How to add a payment method on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can do exactly that. So the first thing you do is open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok application, the next step is to head over to your profile icon by tapping on it at the bottom right corner. Once you land on the profile page, simply tap on the three lines at the top right. Another menu will pop up. From here, you just want to head over to the balance section. And once you get here, you'll find your TikTok balance and a virtual card. Then if you have already added your card and made transactions before, you can see your transactions right below here. But if you haven't made any transactions, then you can go to the monetization option, tap on view more. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and start your monetization if you are eligible for it. Now what you can do is tap on this get coins offer option and then tap on get. And you can start here by adding a payment method. You'll see an option to add credit or debit card. Just tap on it. And then you can just enter your card details. And after you've done that, you should be able to withdraw your balance from your live rewards on that specific card as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.